Welcome to my channel, DJ Pal. My name is Roman BTC, and today we're gonna be talking about how to hunt for new gems. This has been a question in a lot of people's minds, especially the newbies. How do I get to see these new tokens? How do I get to see these new gems before other people? How do I get to see these new gems before it goes popular? Before it's been listed on the big days and so. Okay, today I'm gonna be taking you on the step-by-step tutorial on how to get to see these new gems. Okay, there are many ways to hunt for gems. Some can be hunt using Twitter. You can do that using Telegram. You can do that using desk screener. Understand? So first, we're gonna be starting with Telegram. There are a lot of channels you use to hunt token. Some of these channels include BSC trending, as you can see, Ethereum trending, new BNB pairs, new Ethereum pairs, chain tokens, a lot of them, understand? And some other core channels too. So we start with BSC trending, okay? This channel, what is this channel about? This channel is just a place where all BSC tokens are being listed. You know, BSC tokens are all BSC tokens that have entered trending. These ones have been listed, as you can see, BSC trending, BSC trending, all the tokens that are trending have been listed on this channel. So all you just have to do is you go to your Telegram, you search for BSC trending, you enter the channel, you join. When you join, you see list of tokens. As you can see, tokens have been listed right now. Tokens have been listed. As you can see, the tokens are listed on their own. Okay, so as you can see, these tokens are listed on their own. So all you just have to do is to scan to and hunt and look for the token. Remember, whenever you're hunting a token, most importantly, the name matters. The name matters the most. As you can see, Scott. This one is called Scott. Scott on BSC. 45k. Okay. The next channel is yeah, new BNB chain tokens. This new BNB chain token is blockchain is something that is very transparent. There's nothing that is being hidden on it. That is why you can be able to track any wallet, check any transaction, check a wallet that is being linked to a wallet, check a wallet that a wallet has sent money to. Like blockchain are all interlinked and nothing is hidden. So you can from anywhere check anything. Same way it is before a token is being listed. Understand? The CA definitely be released, and this CA is being added to the blockchain. Understand? And before there's no token that the CA is not added, it's not in a particular, that's not launched in a particular blockchain. Understand? Now, this new BNB, what it does is it's like a blockchain tracker that tracks every new token that is being added on BNB chain. You understand? As the tokens are popping up by themselves. As you can see, the first look at this one, and this token is Lowcoin. The next one is multi AI, and it goes on like that, like that, and like that. Okay, this one is just added now, and is multi AI too. So and remember, there are millions of tokens that are being added, that are being created every day. Thousands, you may make mistake. Thousands of tokens are being created every day. So all you just have to do is to come here and search. As you are searching, you'll be looking at the one that the name looks bullish, and you search for the token. Like if you see this one, it's a multi AI, copy it and go and scan and check if actually the token is real, if it's a scam, because 90% of the token, not even 99% of the tokens here are scam. This is BSC. 99% of the tokens, new tokens are scam. So you have to fish for that remaining 1% or even 0.01% that they are original or good. That can use that word good. Okay. So as you can see, I'm gonna be doing the next video on how to scan token. How to scan token. Okay. I will that is the next video on how to scan token. So if you're interested in knowing how to scan this token, maybe you can wait for the next video and do where to watch that video. It will guide you step by step on how you can scan token. Okay, so this is all for this new BNB chain. Also, we also have new Ethereum chain, new The same thing applies. New Arbitrum chain and there about Phantom and Co. All of them, as long as it's a chain, you also have the tracker. Like just like a tracker, just like a chain, a board that tracks this blockchain to know the new tokens that are being added. So your job here is to be looking for the token and be looking at the name and be looking for a token that is more reliable. Like this baby Butai. Butai has been making wave today. Like Mutai, sorry. The Mutai has been making wave today as of today. Understand? Though I did not trade today actually, so but I've been checking my notification. I've been seeing more time. Like it X's. I mean X's like it really printed money for people today. So the trend, people are just like moving with the trend. Okay, as you can see, another token is being created. A derivative of it is being created. Baby multi. You understand? Baby multi. Look at it. So and maybe as time goes on, we also see things like father multi 1 2.0 and names like that. Okay. So that is all for this particular. Next one is Telegram event. As you can see, Telegram event. This also listing all tokens, like all tokens, or not cannot be all actually. I have as you can see today, almost 2,000 plus has been listed already. You have Ming. This is Pepe Network and there about continues and but this one lists both Ethereum and BSC, not just Ethereum. So these are some of the channels you can use to track, hunt for new tokens. Understand? If you really want to be on, if I forgot, like, all you just have to do is put on the little work, extra job of searching for this token, get the CA, scan them, and know if they are real or legit. That is it. So the next one we're gonna be looking at is the next to called desk cleaner. Understand? Desk cleaner. Remember, don't forget to uh, watch the next video, which is gonna be on how to scan this token. Because it's not just about getting the token, it's about scanning it and knowing if it is legit or not. Remember what I said, as a 90% of these tokens are scam. So you have to fish for that. Sorry, 99% of the tokens are scam. So you have to fish for that 1% that is original or that is real actually. Okay. The next, let's move forward to how to use BAC, how to use this cannot to scan for token. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This. Bam. We are on this screen right now, as you can see. Okay, waiting for it to load. This is the scanner. It's cam token. This is the scanner. This is how it looks. How the mobile view of it looks, and also the mobile app. It has a mobile app. Also have the web version. Okay, this is how it looks. Now, okay, what you just have to do is you come to this new page. You click on it. You select the particular network you're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for BSC tokens. I select BSC. I save. Okay, these are BSC tokens. Okay, let me apply filter. Okay, these are tokens I'm looking for. Rank by page, ascending order, liquidity, minimum liquidity. For new token, minimum liquidity should not be up to that. Minimum you need to something like 300. Okay, FDB minimum of 300. Okay, per age, let's say 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, it's okay. I think that is all for now. Let's apply. As you can see, new tokens are popping up. This one is created 1 minute ago. So this one is a HTZ 6 minutes ago, and okay. So you just have to do now. You just copy it. You copy it. As you can see, this token just got created about 2 minutes ago. It has about 2 buy, no sir. About 2 buy, no sir. Okay. All you have to do is you just copy the C of this token. You go down and you scan it. You go to the scanner and scan it and see if this token is legit or not. Okay, I just do that from here using your token sniffer. Because I advise you to look for the video where I did the tutorial on how to use token sniffer. It's really gonna help you a lot. You know, so I don't get wrecked. You don't get wrecked and you don't get rocked in the process. Okay. The token has already been listed on token sniffer. Okay. So the setting applies. You can see the date of tokens here. You copy the one you want. Oh, I can see that multi I was seeing earlier, multi 2.0. It has been created already. Multi 2.0. But I don't know if this one is legit. Let's check whether this token is legit though. It's likely to be scam. See this. It's likely to be scam. It is. It is nothing that is likely to be scam. I know most of you might be wondering how do I know that this token is scam. It's all about experience, understand? Try and watch my videos where I share my experience with you guys. Some of the previous videos I did. After watching this video, you can you'll be able to know that. If you look at the token now, it scores 0 over 100. Man, it's a pure scam. Pure scam. As you can see. 0 over 100. Multi 2.0. So we're still hoping for the main one, for the main original one to come out, where we all can print money together. Okay. So that is basically all on how to use this scanner. So like I said there, if you want to use this scanner, all you have to do is just like what I did earlier. So your job now is just to be, you go to this scanner, you enter new pay, you put the filter you want according to your own test, but always use a new by age and maximum time you want and duration you want and thereabout. Like I mean the age per age you want and thereabout. Then you cannot be copying the token and cannot be scanning the one after the other. You get the ones you want. So scanning is hunting is not easy. But those are people who think that it's easy. Man, this is a pure scam. This token is a scam. This token is a scam token. I said it's a scam token. It's a honeypot. Token is a scam token. Shit. So that is it. I use it on how to scam, on how to hunt for tokens using this scanner. Okay. So please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to also like the video so I can get to those who really need to watch it and learn it. So in case you're interested, you want to learn from me, you want me to mentor you, you want me to tutor you, want me to help and train, you want me to teach you how you can do these things yourself, how you can hunt yourself, how you can be a good trader, how you can have a good trading journey, with a better career in trade intelligence and DeFi. Or how if you want call signal, maybe you don't want to be hunting yourself, you just want to be just taking my signals and be trading them. Please just do it to hit me up. My contact is down below. My WhatsApp contact. Just hit me up and chat me up. Remember, it's not free, it's paid. So as I hitting me up, also prepare your pocket to be able to make payments. Get started. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. One love.